Hi, I'm standing here in our commissioning hall where every machine undergoes its final checks before being delivered. Today it's a BACKHUS A75, and this one's something special because it's the first A75 we're shipping to Australia. Its destination, Queensland, to one of the largest privately run cattle feedlots in the country. On site, it will be supported by our partner Scala Environmental, who helped us launch this project. There, the machine will become part of a sustainable cycle. Valuable compost is produced from organic residues, a key resource for healthy soils and sustainable farming for the future. So, see you on the other side.